Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying something very special, and that is K Beauty's collection with Falguni Shane Peacock. Now I have ordered their blush and 3 shades of lipstick. So now without a further delay, let's dive into the video. Okay, so I've already done my base, powdered it as well for this palette. Now here in this palette, it is a medium to deep shade palette, and you're getting 2 shades of blush over here. One is bronzer, which I feel looks a little light to me, and this is the highlighter. I'm gonna show you all the swatches. Now these pans looks little bigger. This palette I feel is inspired by the Charlotte Tilbury collection, because all of the Charlotte Tilbury collection comes in gold, and this one also looks luxurious like that only, but the palette size is bigger, so the product that you are getting in here is more than that palette. I'm gonna put the comparison on the screen as well. Okay, the matte blush in the first quadrant. The second quadrant, we are getting a highlighter. Very nice, not very sparkles, very satiny sort of look. Bronzer shade, and it looks like this. I think it is a very soft bronzing shade for daylight makeups as well. Now the last blush that you are getting in this palette is a shimmery blush as per the description. The swatch of that blush, let me just see it properly. So it has little shine than the pink one. That's it, not too much shine, satiny finish, and that's it, but not too much shine, which I feel is amazing, because if you want more shine in your blush, you can always add your highlighter. But when some people have textures on this area, they don't like a lot of shine. So I think this is a great idea. Now let's apply all of these and see how these look on my skin tone, which is MAC NC37. Now they have also given a mirror over here, which is very easy for your application purpose. I'm taking the shade pink, dusting it off, and starting to apply it from the hairline to the middle of my cheek. I have taken the product only one time as of now, and this is what it looks like. Now on the other side, this is very light hand motion that I am doing right now. It's not very heavy. If you want to build the blush, you can build as well. In 2 times, you will get the kind of blush blindness that we all like. I think I have done a little extra. But anyway, I'm going to keep on wearing this makeup throughout the day. I have to go somewhere, so I'll do a little wear test as well on these. This is what they look like. Now I'm going to take the bronzing shade. When you take the product is dusting off. Okay. With bronzer, without bronzer. Pinching the brush a little and applying it on the forehead area, on the corners of my nose. I'm going to talk in a minute about the skin tones and the skin shades related to this product as well. Now next is a highlighter. I'm going to take it on my finger and will dab it little by little. Now here you can see no shine. I'm going to start applying it. I'm going to take this peach blush, which has a satiny finish. If you're going to a party, you can definitely apply this. But if you're going to a party, you can definitely apply this on top of the pink blush, which is very pigmented. Oh my god, what did I do? Oh no. Okay, good thing it is very pigmented. Oh no. मेरी ब्लश ब्लाइंडनेस मत देखना आज प्लीज. ये मैंने आपके लिए ही लगाया है इतना, तो इसको प्लीज मैनेज कर लो थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन पे. जस्ट मर्जिंग द ब्लश. ठीक है. Now let's talk about this palette. For the blush, I feel it is amazing for fair and medium skin tones. If you're a deeper skin tone, it will come little neutral, but it will still look amazing, will give you a very nice healthy glow. If you want it to look a little more berry, you can always mix little bronzer in this shade and you will get that sort of shade. Okay, for the highlighter, I feel highlighter is amazing for medium and fair skin tones, but it can look little ashy on deeper skin tones like NC42. Okay, for the bronzing shade, it is again amazing for fair and medium skin tones, but on deeper skin tones it will definitely disappear. In fact, I myself, being a medium skin shade, I like to apply darker shades than this shade. My bronzing shade is little darker than this one, so it's your personal preference. There are some people who doesn't like to apply even little bit of bronzer, and there are some people who like to do very heavy bronzing. Now it all depends upon you. If you're okay with light bronzing and okayish bronzing, then this shade is amazing for fair to medium skin tones. Okay, now when I talk about the orange, the peachy satiny blush shade in this, I think it is very heavily pigmented, very beautiful shade for fair, medium and deeper skin tones. On all skin tones it will look amazing, neutral on deeper skin tones, but still it will pop and will give you very natural finish. Okay, if you have textures, I think the one with little dewy finish might accentuate your textures, so you can definitely go ahead with the pink blush. If you don't have textures, then the satiny peachy blush mixed with little bit of pink will give you heavenly glow. Now this palette is amazing if you're looking for something in 17 to 1800 sort of range. I think it is a beautiful palette for people who are just getting married. Now I'm calling it budget friendly because you are getting bronzer, 2 blush shades and 1 highlighter in 17 to 1800 range, which I feel is very comfortable range as per the product packaging as well. तो अगर आप अपनी वैनिटी बना रहे हो, ब्राइडल वैनिटी बना रहे हो, तो बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, आपको डेफिनेटली इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए इसके अंदर. नाउ मैंने ना इसे नायका से मंगाया है, बट जिन लोगों ने इसे के ब्यूटी की वेबसाइट से मंगाया है, दे आर रनिंग ऑफर्स and giving bridal vanity as well. Bridal vanity as in like a box of vanity with no products, of course, but the vanity you are getting, so you can definitely order from there as well. There is certain limitation of buying like product worth rupees 3500 or something, in which you can buy one of this palette and one of their lip shade as well. Now let's talk about the lip shades. First shade is Champagne Brocade. Now this shade was used on Katrina. I know this can be little light for me, but I still wanted to show you because my viewers can be of any skin tone and I wanted to try all of the skin tone sort of shades. Now when we talk about the packaging is very luxe, हेवी पैकेजिंग है. अगर मैं सब्यसाची की लिपस्टिक है मेरे पास, गुची की लिपस्टिक है, उनसे कंपेयर करूं, देन डेफिनेटली इट इज समथिंग लाइक देम बिकॉज मैग्नेटिक पैकेजिंग है, अपने आप ये बंद हो जाती है लिपस्टिक. देयर इज अ लोगो गिवन ओवर हियर, द होल थिंग इज गोल्डन, लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल and this whole thing feels like Charlotte Tilbury sort of packaging. Now definitely when the brand has come up in collaboration with Falguni Shane Peacock, which is also a very premium designer, I think they have done really well with the packaging and the whole idea is beautiful. Is a kind of shade which will look amazing on fair skin tones just like Katrina, but for medium and deeper skin tones, if you have already bought it, you can definitely apply a dark brown lip liner. I have tried to apply the K Beauty Fame lip liner on top of it, which is not getting applied properly because I've already applied the lipstick. You can definitely pair it with a dark brown lip liner. When we talk about the consistency and the finish of lipstick, this is a very lightweight formula, very comfortable formula. My lips are little dried right now, but this lipstick feels very comfortable, velvet matte sort of a finish, not very matte to the extent that it will make you feel uncomfortable. I'm gonna apply another 2 shades as well because I have certain doubt about this lipstick getting filled in the lines as well. So let's apply 2 more shades and see how they look. Now next shade is Ruby Banarasi, and I bought it because I was thinking it looks red. That's what it was looking in picture. And yes, it looks red. I was getting some doubts that it might look little pink as well. This is what the shade Ruby Banarsi looks like. I think it is amazing for all skin tones. It has little bit of warmth in it as well and little bit of pink. I think it's an absolute amazing mix of pinks and warm tones, so definitely it will suit on all skin tones. Now let's go ahead and try the shade Mulberry Cashmere, which I think will be amazing for winters. Let's try that as well. This is Mulberry Cashmere. It is amazing for winters, for all skin tones. I also feel the way it is looking at the camera right now, it is slightly darker than that. So it's a very dark color. You can either add the layers of it little by little and then just, make it work as per the shade that you want. But it will always look maroon, just the darker shades of maroon. Now the maroon and reds, how they make your teeth look little whiter, it is doing that for me. I also feel that it can be little intimidating for people who don't like a lot of dark lipsticks. So these were the three shades of K Beauty in collection with Falguni Shane Peacock, and I loved Ruby Zardozi out of all three of these, the ones that I have tried. Packaging, limited edition, not too expensive, as expensive the other limited edition lipsticks are, or the ones that I have in my collection, like the Dior one, the Gucci one. If you want to see a video of those lipsticks as well, I'm gonna tag it here and you can go and check those lipsticks as well. Now I think Ruby Zardozi is the kind of color that will suit all skin tones. So if you are a fan of red lipstick, it's a must buy from my side. It is not filling into my lines, it is feeling comfortable, a matte formula, transferable formula. One thing I would like to tell you over here is all bullet lipsticks are transferable, that we all know, but all the limited edition lipsticks like Dior 999, Gucci Goldie Red, and Sabyasachi lipstick, all of them were bullet lipsticks and are transferable. When you buy luxury, you buy comfortability. Sometimes the liquid lipsticks tends to feel a little matte, and I feel they settle in your fine lines as well sometimes, actually most of the times. So these lipsticks gives you comfort and they are luxury. When it comes to luxury, I feel people can afford to do touch-ups as well. So that was my take on all of these products. If you would like to know more about other products, subscribe to my channel. I come here and give you unsponsored reviews on all of the products. Okay, this was it for today. This is Neha Devgan signing off and saying bye bye.